So wonderful, good afternoon dear LinkedIn community, Composites launch members and Jet Circle of course. Now we are here at an eVTOL manufacturer, the company Volocopter, and today with me is the program manager of the XPro. And what is the XPro and who is Volocopter? That will be explained to you by Mario Fakour. Thank you for being part of our show.
Thank you, thank you. Volocopter is not longer about the future. We are bringing the air mobility in practical life, which truly everyone can use it in daily life. I would say that the future of the aviation is not only about moving many people, but also is about giving individual freedom to move in smarter and cleaner and more direct way. So that's why the Volocopter is introducing all this to the passionate user.
And as you said, it's the emission-free flying, and that's exactly why we are here at AERO 2027. And you are strategically based in the whole A7, which is a lot of fuel cell, hydrogen, electric propulsion. So very good that you are placed here. Mario, my community is about composites, fiber reinforced polymers. I think this one has a high content of composites. Tell us about it.
We have actually two types of eVTOL and multicopter. We have VoloCity and VoloXPro. Both are made by the composite, carbon composite.
And the production will be in Germany?
We are based on Brussels, Germany.
So in Brussels, Germany, in the southern part of Bavaria,
yeah.
You have a very strategic location to the aerospace industry there, right?
Yes, we are only one at the moment as a eVTOL factory in Germany and in area, and I would say in Europe.
That's right, that's right. So let's talk about, now we have touched the materials, of course, let's talk about the air mobility. What type of use cases you have for the air mobility?
We have actually for VoloXPro, we are introduced the new model, which will be certified under DOF, and it will be with the maximum takeoff of 600. And the business case, what we are targeting is for the private pilots, air clubs and the air schools.
Let me just explain the community. What we are seeing in our backdrop community is the Volocopter city.
This is the VoloCity. Yes.
The VoloCity,
okay.
And you are the program manager of Volocopter XPro, which is not here right now.
So, we have two types of aircraft at the moment. We have several other projects which is coming later, but at the moment, as you see, this is VoloCity, which will be certified under EASA. And we have VoloXPro, which will be certified under DOF. DOF is German ultralight association. And the maximum takeoff is 600.
600 kg maximum takeoff,
yes.
Yeah. And let me ask a practical question. Do we have a pilot sitting here in the Volocopter XPro?
Yes, the Volocopter actually product in terms of the multicopter, we are producing manned aircraft, which it means that it fly with a pilot all the time. We have the option for remote and autonomous version, but at the moment we are focusing on certified manned aircraft.
Both models have different use cases. So the city is intra-city or connecting city to city.
And for the air taxi, because it will be the EASA certified. And for VoloXPro is more for more usage. It's for the pilot training.
Now certification takes a long time, of course. Do you have a time schedule for us?
The certification, yes, we already prepared all needed to go to the last phase of the certification, and we hope that by end of 2026 we can certify the VoloXPro and we can start production in 2027.
And when do we fly?
You're welcome to come to Brussels by end of I think September or I would say September. We can
okay,
fly
I'll
together.
take that invitation by your word,
You're welcome.
and I will see you at Brussels. Thank you so much,
You're
Mario,
welcome.
for this
You're
interview.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Ilkay Özkisaoglu at AERO 2026 with Composites 360 on tour. Materials, structures and engineering decisions. This is why I'm here, to cover you these decisions that have to be made regarding engineering, technology and sustainability. I'm Ilkay. I focus on the engineering side of aviation. I'm mostly interested in how these things get to fly. The manufacturing side, technology and engineering. Innovations that make these gears fly. Real teams, real technology, real innovations. Composites, components and cutting-edge engineering, that's my world. Join me when we go into the details. Jets, components, communities, all in one place. The topics in aviation that are trending right now, of course, are sustainability, MRO, maintenance, repair, overhaul, and also retrofitting these planes. And all these have to be lightweight, of course. That's why we're here, covering the stories for you from AERO 2026, ILA in Berlin, and maybe other places like Paris Air Show next year. Why are then aircrafts one of our major topics at the Composites 360 on tour coverage? Because these things are technical gears and they combine all processes that are in the lightweighting technology available. So whom do we service this for? If you are in the aviation industry, aerospace industry, but also in the automotive industry, all these parts that you are seeing here on the wings and on the winglets are made from composite materials, lightweight technologies. And we cover in the aviation, of course, not only the outside or the engine compartment. Of course, very important is also the inside of the plane. And sizes, of course, start with the small to the mid-size range and to the large. Whether it is brokers or operators or MRO companies like Lufthansa Technik, these are part of our coverage. Follow along, we are just getting started. And we partnered up in the general aviation with the Jet Circle. And the Jet Circle is about?
The Jet Circle is the whole world of business aviation, bringing you most efficient propeller airplane or a nice business jet like this one behind us.
And I bring you engineering and components, technology with the Composites launch onto your feet. At the body of our newsletter, you will find all videos and YouTube and podcasts and get yourself a picture out of what's going on in the general aviation industry.